Today we're installing this red track style tow hook on our Alfa Romeo Giulia at Open Bay Garage. It's a lightweight aluminum piece designed to add some aggressive track inspired styling to the car, so let's grab it and get into it. In the box we're gonna have our CNC machined anodized aluminum tow hook. The red D-ring has a glossy finish, and since it's aluminum it won't rust, so that's a plus. You would have to worry about this if you had a steel version, which means you cannot actually tow the car with it. Just keep that in mind. It's just for looks. Anyways, let's get on with this simple installation. Step one is going to be to remove the tow hook cover. So first we need to pop off the tow hook cover on the front bumper. Depending on your model, you might need a trim tool, or you could just use your fingers to pry it off. The next thing that we're going to do is adjust the angle of the tow hook before we install it. So we're going to take our hex tool. We are going to unscrew it a little bit, which loosens the D-ring, position it how we like, and then tighten it again. Now we're going to thread in the rod to the factory tow hook location. Let's hand tighten it first, then we needed to use a wrench. Thank goodness we were at Open Bay Garage. We can just walk over to the bays behind one of the slots we were renting and then just grab one. So we have this like clamp wrench. We'll take it back to the front and tighten it. Make sure this is really tight. You don't want it falling off on the freeway. All right, I think that's solid. With the tow hook rod in place, we'll now put the D-ring on. Look, it can just do this. We're going to tighten the nut once we make sure the D-ring is in position. Now, we had to adjust it with the hex key, just flip it downwards because it was up in the wrong direction. But anyways, you can adjust it however you like. That's the beauty of this. And then you can just pull that nut forward so that your D-ring is locked into place. The D-ring doesn't need to be all the way back on the threads. That's what the nut is for. It allows you to lock it in place wherever, and you can use the same tool as earlier to tighten the nut against the D-ring and give it that secure fit. And that's it. A quick and easy install that adds an aggressive track-inspired look to the Giulia. While this tow hook is mainly for aesthetic purposes, do not tow with it. It definitely gives the car a sporty edge. Let us know what you think in the comments, and let us know what you think of this facility. Open Bay Garage has tons of tools that you can see in the background, just like this one that we used today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe for more Alfa Romeo mods and installs, and let us know what you think of Open Bay's setup. We'll see you in the next one.